Hello Gemini, in your September to December psychic reading. In this reading, I will channel some messages from divine, my spirit guides, and my angels. Remember, this is a general reading. Take what resonates with you, and leave the rest for the others. So Gemini, I am seeing from few months you are going through a roller coaster. You have no balanced emotions, feelings, and you are surrounded by stress. Some of you are really confused between two people, and you guys are really obsessed with your twin flame journey. So I am seeing in the month of September you guys have surrendered to divine and realized you are your own twin flame. Everything will always start within you, and you are accepting the situation as it is. So I am seeing from the September to December there is a lot of healing work is coming for you. This is the time for your healing, for your surrendering to divine, and for self-love. I am also seeing you guys are going to work on your chakras, and I am also seeing you guys were with your karmic partner and were thinking they are your twin flame, but they have drained your all energies, and now you are like a empty cup, and you want to fill the jug of others with your empty cup. And now you have realized your cup is empty because of the circumstances and because of the situations. So in upcoming month you will fill the cup of your heart with divine love, divine knowledge, and self-love. You guys will also move into another country. If you're planning to move into another country, then this is a good sign. Yes, you will move into another country. I am also seeing you guys are not in touch with your spirituality right now, but in past you are extremely spiritual. Because of the circumstances you have left the spirituality and doubting your self-worth, but in the upcoming month you will again start your spiritual journey and healing. I am also getting here, please work on your ideas regularly and don't take it very lightly. If you are going to start a new venture, then this is a very good idea for you and very good time for all of you. I am also getting Gemini, please be aware about your spendings and about your money. Please don't trust anyone in upcoming 3 months regarding money and finances. I am also seeing a financial benefit is coming towards you, but you have to open your heart. You have to become more mindful to grab this opportunity. I am also seeing some of you really spend quality time with the family, especially with your parents. And I am also seeing your kids are about to receive a big news in upcoming time. If you are single, then you can expect something great news. Right now maybe you are thinking you are stuck in life and there is nothing is working out for you. Then remember Gemini, in the background everything is working for you, and universe is preparing something amazing and excited for you, and will surely surprise you in the month of November. I am also seeing a support from a spiritual friend, spiritual teacher is coming for you in the month of November or December, and this person will surely have good intentions for you, and they will help you in growing spiritually and financially. If you guys are looking for a new source of finances, then at the month of November or October, you will grab an opportunity which will give you an instant outcome in finances. And I am also seeing in the month of December your finances will bloom, and I am also seeing an opening of heart chakra and kundalini awakening here for all of you. If you guys are on twin flame journey, then you will come to know who is your real twin flame and who were the fake one. So here is the message from your guides, your angels. Please don't give up. If you guys are not seeing anything happening right now, then it does not mean it will not happen in the future. I am seeing a lot of good energy around you, and I am also seeing a bubbly purple light around me, which is a good sign. In the upcoming time, you will be surrounded by Archangel Michael, and here I am also getting, please cut the cords with people who are not serving you, because unknowingly they are draining you and they are feeding on your energies. So please first cut the cord with them. And I am also getting a lot of spiritual energy and awakening is coming towards you. You will be surrounded by angels, your guides, and your chakra will bloom. And I am also seeing your intuition is coming more sharper than before, and you will listen your intuition more than the opinion of others. I'm also getting celebration here. Maybe you will attend a marriage, a birthday party, and maybe you will give birth to a child, or something amazing and extraordinary is coming towards you, which will give you a pleasure moments, and you will enjoy this a lot. I am also getting here, please write down all your goals which you want to manifest in your life, and then believe you deserve to have all these things, and then take valuable action for this, because right now I am seeing you have a good power of manifestation. Even in the roller coaster of life, you try to balance yourself, and yes, you have manifestation powers, so please use it wisely and manifest your goals, manifest abundance, prosperity, or whatever you want in your life. So if you guys are thinking about to enter in a new relationship, then this is not a good or right time for you, Gemini. I'm also saying, please control over your lust and temptation, because I'm sensing a lot of sexual energies here. It could be you or another person who have these thoughts about you. If this is you, then please control your temptation, because this is not a good time right now to feel all these things. And please don't fall for these things, because right now you have a long path to go on spirituality and self-love. So this is for you, Gemini. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in another reading. Bye.